So our charging cable is plugged into the car power outlet.
And it's not charging the battery.
So taking a close look at this power cord, what we're going to first do is verify that it is the cord, the problems in the cord. And you can see inside here the two little contact points, plus and minus 12 volts DC. And we're going to get something in there to measure that. And I use a DC power supply. Put 12 volts on this cable and test it. Make sure it's not in the Garmin, in the receptacle in there. So there we are. We've got 12 volts on our cable on our test lead here, and hooked up to the plug. It's in the car receptacle. Negative is over here on the side, positive on the middle terminal. So what I'm using to put into the receptacle, just a couple of wires that I've soldered the ends on, and I pound them down so that they'll fit into the slot here and make a good contact. Taking my little prepared edge, slipping it in there. Now we'll just clip a meter on there, meter leads on here. As you can see, there's nothing there. So this cable is bad. It's not passing the 12 volts from end to end. One thing you'll notice on this particular one, it's a bit unusual. We have a couple screws in here. Not common on these kind of plugs. Usually they're molded. Just got to replace them. I've replaced this one before. That's why this time I'm going to tear it apart. See if I can find what's wrong. And hopefully fix it. Okay, so it's out with the two screws. Okay, so we can pry this apart. It looks like they have a little catch up over here. Okay, it looks like they've got it right here. See, I've got it lifted up now. There. And lo and behold, see what happened. The negative came loose from the solder connection on here. That's going to be enough. So we'll heat up our soldering iron, tin the end of that, and reconnect it. Okay, we'll get our iron heated up. There. Alright, get it snapped back together. A little bit tricky lining everything up. There's a couple of spring-loaded locking devices in there on the sides. I had to get those into position. No real big deal, but the other screw in there. Now this is working right. There's two little on the sides here, right here. Two of these operate. The two, you can see them turn in and out. They go in and out. Little locking devices. Okay. There we are, 12 volts. Okay, so this battery symbol is on there when it's not on power. We're going to go plug it in now to the car jack. It sounds off. That indicates that it's on the external power mode now. so it's working fine.